here is how you can make the clock bigger on the iPhone. Let me explain the whole thing, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. First of all, we can have a small clock, which is this little icon which looks like every other app icon, and it just works like a standard app, right? You can click on it and go to your alarms and stopwatch and all of that, right? So this is the clock app. It also displays time actively. The icon is dynamic, so it changes with the time, but it's kind of smaller. So if you want to change that into a larger one, you don't like expand this icon, but instead add a widget. So you need to hold it down on the screen like that, tap on the edit button and click on add widget. Plenty of apps that support widgets, but we just need to find the clock application as well. So just go to the clock and you need to pick from all of those which are currently available. So we have the digital one, we have the different styles of analog clocks, but the clock number 3 looks basically like scaled up version of the icon, right? So we had the same one which was on a smaller scale, just one square, and this is just the expanded one, so it's going to be larger. So if you wanted to expand and make the clock bigger, then you can choose the clock widget number 3, or obviously any of the other ones, and you will have the ability to have it largely shown on the screen. You can as well click on the city clocks, which will have or give you the ability to change the city which time is visible on the widget. So the first widgets show the local time in the place you happen to be, but you can also choose it to be something different, right? So you can choose it for a different time zone in a different city. But that is how it would work, and that's how you can add it. I really hope that I was able to explain it to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.